Hi everyone, here we've got HUAWEI Mate 40 Pro, and let me show you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app and actually let me show you the evidence that this reset option will work. So let's open the settings and let me turn on the grid lines. Let's get back. As you can see, they are immediately activated and they are immediately applied to our camera. So now this is the best situation to show you how to reset options. So let's enter the settings in the right upper corner, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to restore defaults. Let's tap on it. Now your device is asking you if you really want to do it, so let's tap on OK. And as you can see, we just got back to our camera and you cannot see the grid lines, so this is the evidence that the reset option just worked. What's more, you can see also the permissions that your device is asking you to give it access to the location, so it means that we successfully reset all camera settings. So actually that's all. This is how to reset camera settings in your HUAWEI Mate 40 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.